All right, did a lot of roasting this morning. Roasting, sauteing, natural caramelization. I'm going to do some baking. Oh, yes. Some pureeing. Look at that. All right, just going to quickly show you. It is 5:21 a.m. I woke up at 4. My mind is the strongest at that time, so I try to get everything done so that when I get home, I can just eat and relax. But what I did right now is I had a bunch of coleslaw that I bought from Sam's Club. What I did here was basically I cooked down the coleslaw with some onion, gave him some flavor with my favorite spices, and I'm going to freeze half of it once it's cooked, and the other one I'm going to leave out in the fridge so that every day I just grab a bunch and I mix it with some egg whites or whatever I want to saute it in. It's already going to be it's going to cut down on the process of cooking because it's already cooked and flavored. So we have that there. And then I roasted some cashews. I'm actually going to be making, let me show you guys real quick. I usually just like them to eat them, snack them like that, but I'm actually going to be making like a little dessert with some dates. It's going to be cashews, dates, and some protein powder because I love having like that sweet, I call it like cookie dough, and I just take a scoop of that when I have a sweet craving. Here, I had a bunch of baby carrots, celery, and broccoli from, again, Sam's Club. I buy them in bulk. So I didn't want them to go bad. I usually ferment them, but this time I just roasted them because I found myself just snacking on them this way a lot easier than raw. And they're more flavorful. I love adding my favorite spices. I love curry powder. I love cumin. All you gotta do is top it off with some Himalayan sea salt, or I actually bought some truffle salt. Really good. All right, so in the same process, all that is cooking at 375. Now that that is done, I'm gonna lower the heat. So I did 375, but then the last few minutes I did about 400 just to really brown up those natural sugars and caramelize that natural sweetness. Now I also make cauliflower cake. Again, I got the cauliflower from Sam's Club. And it's like a little protein cake. It's my lower carb protein option in the mornings when I don't do a lot of heavy lifting. And I'll do the heavy lifting in the evenings. And then that's when I do oatmeal instead. But again, everyone is different. There's just sometimes I vary it up. But all this I probably will get done in about an hour and 20 minutes. And yeah, just kind of get me prepared for the day.